I'm here today to talk to you about asphalt.
Asphalt is everywhere. It covers millions and millions of miles of roads and thousands of playgrounds all around the world.
You drive your cars on it, you ride your bikes on it, you shoot hoops on it.
But it does deplete our natural resources.
We drive around in our cars, we walk around on the streets, and we see potholes everywhere. We see holes in the ground, and we're just waiting for the work crews to come and change this and fill these holes back up with new pavement. But the problem is when we dig up that pavement, what do you do with it? It ends up going in the landfill somewhere because the air and the sunlight have made it not usable.
That's why I'm here to talk about Delta S. Delta S uses twice the recycled asphalt, half environmental impact.
So here to tell us about how Delta S is lowering our environmental impact is Jay, one of the early developers of Delta S.
What we have, this is Delta S, and Delta S, like I said, is environmentally benign, worker safe additive that allows us to take the old roadways, rejuvenate it, give it life, and be able to mix it back in with new roadways.
But how does it work?
So what we did was we took water and oil, and we had to use what's called a surfactant. A surfactant is a molecule that on one hand has a hydrophobic part, which likes oil. And on the other end, it has a hydrophilic part, which likes water. By taking that component, that compound, putting it in with a mixture of Delta S and water, and stirring it up real fast, what we were able to come up with is a Delta S emulsion.
Who could have a better thing? Just imagine now, we can repave our roads, but not have all this waste being accumulated in the dumps and the landfills, and save energy at the same time by having it be at a reduced temperature.
So if you drive a car,
If you ride your bike to school,
If you beat your friend at basketball on the playground,
You can't beat me at basketball on the playground.
If you jump up in the driveway,
if you care about our natural resources,
consider Delta